Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 Daqat on the piano. We'll start by mastering the song's core harmony. The main chords you'll need are a minor, D major, G major, and E minor. Focus on playing these 4 chords cleanly and transitioning smoothly between them. This simple progression forms the backbone of the entire song, so getting comfortable here is key to your success. Next, let's dive into the beautiful melody played by your right hand. The song features several memorable melodic phrases. Start by learning these phrases slowly, ensuring each note is correct and the rhythm is precise. The melody often repeats with slight variations, so listen carefully to capture its unique character and the oriental nuances that make 3 Daqat so special. Now, let's bring in the left hand to create the rhythmic foundation and harmonic support. Your left hand will play the root notes of the chords, often with a simple, repeating rhythmic pattern. Focus on keeping a steady beat and ensuring your left hand changes chords precisely with the right hand's melody. A consistent tempo, around 120 beats per minute, will give the song its characteristic groove. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Start by practicing slowly, focusing on one small section at a time, perhaps 4 to 8 measures. Use a metronome to refine your timing and ensure both hands are perfectly synchronized. Don't forget to listen to the original 3 Daqat often. It will help you internalize the feel and emotion, guiding your expressive playing as you master the full piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.